Hello everyone. Hope you are all in the best of spirit, health and disposition. I am Sumayya Ansari and I welcome you to a new video of Quest of Truth. In this series, we discuss the lectures from the book The Principles and Practice of Homeopathy by Dr. Richard Hughes. In the lecture 2, he comments on the purpose and plan behind the creation of the organon of Hahnemann. Dr. Hughes is of the opinion that one cannot get a clear idea of the organon of medicine unless they understand the changes that it went through in the successive stages. The lecture is more factual than theoretical and intends to walk us through the various developments that it went through in the first 5 editions. Well, wait a second. Why 5? Why not 6? After all, we study the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine, isn't it? Why does Dr. Hughes focus on the first 5 editions only? If you know the answer to the question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't, stay tuned till the end to know the secret. Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the further updates. You see, the lecture is divided into different subpoints and are numbered by Roman numerals. The first point focuses on the total number of editions and their respective publication years. The first edition, the Organon, was first issued in the year 1810. The second edition came out in the year 1819, which was called the augmented version. The third edition came out in the year 1824, which was called the improved edition. The fourth edition came out in the year 1829 and the fifth edition came out in the year 1833. The fourth and the fifth edition were called as improved and augmented editions. Apart from the third edition, all other editions went through substantial changes as compared to the immediately previous editions. Dr. Hughes says that the organon is Dr. Hahnemann's exposition and vindication of his new therapeutic method. Now it's interesting that he uses the word exposition and vindication for the complete description of this book. Exposition means explanation, description or illustration, whereas vindication means refuting, justification, absolution, proof or defending. Why do you think Dr. Hahnemann needed to justify or defend or prove his point, and to whom? Let me know your views in the comment section below. Dr. Hughes says that the organon is the explanation and justification of his new therapeutic method that he was putting forward to the world. Now, Hufeland's Journal was a leading medical agency or magazine of that time in Germany. And before the publication of Organon as a book, there were many essays that Dr. Hahnemann published in the Hufeland's Journal. Some of the important essays are On a New Principle for Ascertaining the Curative Power of Drugs of 1792, Are the Obstacles to Certainty and Simplicity in Practical Medicine Insurmountable, 1797, and The Medicine of Experience in 1806. Finally, it seemed that it was time that he published the separate and full account of the system of medicine or the therapeutic method that he was upholding. Hence, the Organon of 1810. Why do you think he named his book The Organon? And what were the controversies around it? Share your views with me in the comment section below. Now the moment of truth. Why did Dr. Richard Hughes never mention the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine in his book? Dr. Richard Hughes lived from the year 1836 to 1902. And the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine was published in the year 1921 in German by Dr. Richard Hale and in 1922 in English by Dr. W. Borick. So that means Dr. Richard Hughes never got a chance to go through the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine. No surprise that we don't get the mention of 6th edition of Organon of Medicine in his book, The Principles and Practice of Homeopathy. Hope you liked this video. How was it? Let me know in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon so that you get the recent updates. Stay safe, stay healthy.